the AppLearn side of it, we've got a 1, 2, 3 to get you started. So if anyone's interested in rolling out a digital adoption platform in their business, as Prashant and RB are doing, we'd recommend you sort of think about this in 3 key steps. So the first one being assess and understand the current situation to build the business case. So you need to look for things in your organizations like where are users struggling within applications, which applications aren't delivering the return on investment or aren't being used enough, and what's the impact on end user productivity, the employee experience, the support costs, things across the wider business there. You know, it's not just about users failing to be productive in an application. It's about the cost of having to go in and fix mistakes because they didn't understand how to use the application. It's the cost of dealing with support tickets when the application updates and changes, or the cost of supporting users when they're onboarding, trying to get them up to speed with that, you know, knowledge, and then they forget it on the downward curve. So all these challenges can impact on the cost of supporting an application. Once you've understood the case in your business, identify those use cases where the problems lie. It's then time to run and measure. So to begin with, look at your initial use cases and get up and running with those. Often people try and solve lots of challenges at once, but actually we usually say, look at your top 10 support tickets, look at your top 10 business challenges and start with those, because those are the things you can deliver the most impact immediately, and then get into that process of continuous improvement. So that's the final point there, expand and improve. And not only within the application that you've initially started supporting, this could be 1, 2, 3 applications you might start with, but then start to look at rolling out to other applications. Some applications are used more than others in business, some generate more support costs. So start with the highest priority ones and then start to roll out more broadly and give users that consistent experience and drive that continuous improvement across your organization. So as we draw to an end of the webinar today, I think it's been a great session. Just want to let you know a little bit more about Adopt, the platform we've been talking about throughout this presentation. So Adopt's a digital adoption platform that embeds support in any web application, from a large SaaS vendor like Salesforce, Workday, or SAP to custom in-house applications. Adopt can provide personalized, context-aware support and guidance right in the flow of work for end users, whilst at the same time collecting rich analytics and data points that allow you to proactively identify challenges in your organization, bottlenecks to the user experience, and things that are impacting on productivity within your organization. This approach of measuring through analytics and improving the user experience in application leads to benefits such as improved efficiency, happier users, reduced support costs, and ultimately gives you insight into how users and applications are performing within your organization, allowing you to make more informed business decisions. Ultimately, AppLearn and Adopt are here to make software work better for everyone. So if you're interested in learning some more about Adopt or discussing any of the points we've covered on today's webinar, I'd encourage you to visit applearn.com, where one of our consultants can help you with your digital transformation project. Or if you have any other adoption challenges, we'd be happy to set up a personalized demo for you and work with you on those challenges.